I don't know what to do.
That's annoying!
Looks terrible. We're hiding these. Ow! What is going on here?
This is a joke.
Where's the dish? This should be really obvious.
Oh dear. Gentlemen and Jamie, today's theme is Fakeaway. You must create a takeaway-inspired dish that's worthy of a night in with your favourite person. Me. This is purely hypothetical, never going to happen.
A night in with Janice.
Is there an order?
As James is away, Chef Ben will top and tail this challenge. And you'll each nominate the next person at the end of your turn.
An Ebba sandwich.
Oh no!
Oh no, that's not
That's my cue to leave. Bye guys.
James didn't turn up.
One at a time, the boys have 10 minutes to cook and add to a final dish. The remaining team will have no idea what is being cooked until they each step into the kitchen.
Okay, takeaway, fakeaway. I want to try and do a selection of items from a Chinese takeaway, like the starters, like the picky bits, so that Janice and I can pick in and out of some beautiful options. So by doing this, hopefully everyone can contribute one bit. I'm going to start with some pork belly, almost like rib style, with chilli, soy, ginger and honey, but I'm going to do it in a pressure cooker. Into there with a splash of water, 20 minutes high pressure. It'll take a while to come up, then it'll take 20 minutes, and the whole time they won't have a clue what's in there. It'll be hilarious. I was drawn to some of these ingredients, we'll work out what to do with them in a minute. Prawn toast, that is going to be, oh no, bear with. Lots of things happening in my head, I'll try and explain some of them. What about if I make a mix to go inside the wontons? Then whoever's up can make them in whatever shape they want, that would be excellent. So all I need to do is drain some crab, chive, garlic, and a store cup of cheat of hoisin sauce. Oh no, is it not a teaspoon? A wonton mixture with skins. They can choose a shape. Some prawn toast. They won't have a clue what's in there, but that's not a problem. Lots of fiddly elements, but I think in the next 40 minutes we can create something quite clever. That's at pressure 20 minutes. Next up, I'm going to pick Barry, and I think he'll see that and he'll just do it. I'm going to give myself a 7 out of 10, but that may go up or down depending on my last 10 minutes. Barry!
We've got some mushrooms, we've got some bean sprout, we've got some peppers, we have some phyllo pastry. It feels Thai-ish. What the hell is he doing? Oh no! I don't like this type of cooking. I'm not a massive fan of this type of takeaway. Calm down, Barry. Sorry, Janice. Give me a moment.
He's already had 65 seconds.
Come on. Don't like it. I think there's some stuff here to insinuate we're making some sort of prawn toast. So I can do that. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't spent much time with Janice. I don't know what's her type. She's a very confusing woman.
Says a man who's permanently confused. It does add up, unlike Barry.
Spring onion.
Ginger.
Chilli in it? Yeah, sure, let's do that. Right. Just a quick blitz. Okay, and then in with some prawns. And we have a prawn paste. So now, brioche, which I don't think is usually the sort of bread you'd use to make prawn toast, but we're going for it. The aim here is get some prawn paste on that brioche loaf, slice it up, cover it in sesame seeds, and then deep fry it. Pepper, don't know if that's meant to go on there, but it's going on there. Okay, right. If that's how you make prawn toast, I've done really well. I'm giving myself a 7. And I'm bringing Mike into the kitchen next.
Okay, prawn toast. It's a takeaway. We're going, what's happening? Oh, please. No. I don't know how to use this thing. If there's something in that, we're in big trouble. Are we going Chinese? I promised myself I wasn't going to flap. Right, what shall we do? Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I know what I'm going to do.
Strap in, people.
For the first time ever, I've had a good idea and pass it on. You can make a Cheats steamed bun out of a tin of coconut milk and self-raising flour. Come on! Hurry up. Why now? Oh, that was a nice sound, wasn't it? Okay, I've got to make this really, really clear what these are before Jamie comes in, because we know what's going to happen then. The music will start playing, he's just going to start riffing, and so I've got to make it so clear.
Oh, you mean this music?
Oof, oof. For goodness sake. Just going to flour a surface. Oh no, don't start now. I don't know what you are, I don't know what you want, I wasn't in that video, I'm not interested in you.
I've heard that sentence before.
Can you get it done? Can you get it done in time? That is the question. Oh, we got 2 minutes left. Oh, it's going to be tight. Is he going to do it? This is jeopardy. Oh, come on. I have to get this done, otherwise he's going to have no idea. Okay. Oh, so what's that like? We'll just do 1, 2. Okay, so come on, come on. Come on, Mike, just give him something to go on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I just need to give him 1. I got that. This is obvious, right? So, some things happened. If he's able to take that and make more of those, we could be in a good position here. He's just got to start thinking about the meat. I will score myself a 7 for chaos. Buckle up. Jay!
I have been thigh deep in a spreadsheet and I've not even thought about what's been happening this side of the, oh no. Okay, we're making dumplings. That's not cooked. Is this on? That's on. There. Nothing in the oven. Nothing in the fridge. Growth. There's obviously 3 different things going on. There's prawn toasts, which, I mean, I could fry them now. That would save Ebbers a job, wouldn't it? I don't know if that's what you do. I have another worry. It's finished. So I could. What is on this spoon? Who? Okay, so have these not got, those 2 look like they've got, how do I know if they've got, right.
No, 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 no!
Sometimes you get a nice twist to it, don't you? So I could do that. Make sure it's sealed. Come back here, multitask, flick. Oh, Janice, yes. Who made dumpling shapes without making actual dumplings? Are we making?
Go on.
Should I be?
He's getting there.
What's that for?
You can do it.
Pank. Maybe we weren't making dumplings.
We have hope.
I'm still making dumplings.
The hope is on fire.
This is a prawn celebration. Why don't I? Oh, with 1 minute left, let's pop these ones in here, and that one there. And then what we'll do is a little roulette one, which I don't think has anything in it. And we'll pop this up here.
New year, same Spafford.
I haven't turned up today. It's a 0 from me. I didn't turn up. My head's in this spreadsheet. Ebbers!
What's happened in the last 30 minutes? something needs more steaming, but I'm not. Is that what they are? Are they? They don't understand what they are. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna have to commit here, and I'm just have to do a small appetizer plate for 4 people, and therefore I'm just gonna do 4 of each thing. There's just enough left. I haven't done these for a while. I have to be honest, I was kind of hoping the fiddly bit would have been done. I can't work out what everyone did. Somebody made prawn toast, good job. Somebody made dough, probably steamed buns. I just don't think they're gonna cook in time, because they still need a little bit of resting, and then a little bit of cooking. Really hope they work. Let's have a look at this. I've got a really hot pan because what I want to do is take the pork belly, which is hopefully cooked, and now give it some colour. And that's how you can cook pork belly, really soft and succulent in the time we had. Pinch of Chinese 5 spice, a phenomenal cheat because it's a flavour that's so iconic. 90 seconds, what a disaster. Okay, pork, crab wontons. This is just going to look like a plate of brown. I've not had time to do anything fresh on it. Or a dipping sauce, which is kind of what I was hoping as well. I've almost given up. What else can we do on there? They're still not done. Oh, Janice, we might just have to crack open a bottle of wine. This is so sad. I had such ambition. I think the 3 items on the plate will taste good, but there's a lot of elements missing. Something fresh, something citrusy, something with a zing. You know the 7 I gave myself? Moving down to a 5. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
What? Where did...
okay. There's some stuff there.
In 50 minutes, the boys have created a Chinese fakeaway consisting of garlic, honey and soy glazed pork belly, fried hoisin crab wontons and prawn toast. That's all, folks.
Is this what was in the pressure cooker?
Yes.
The pressure cooker?
What I liked was the fact that somebody presumably saw that, thought maybe something slow cooked meat and made some steamed buns.
Well, I didn't want to bring that up straight away, but the only thing that I did isn't anywhere near the dish.
So the dough had been shaped and filled.
Filled.
Yes. Yes, they were filled.
Did you fill the buns?
I thought we were making dumplings. There was a filling, and there were dumplings.
What filling did you put in the dumplings?
Whatever filling was in the bowl. It
The
was
crab! I'd almost rather they didn't come to the table in case the dough's bad. Oh, yeah! Okay.
And now they're cooked.
Cheers.
Oh,
No. They're delicious.
Try some of the pork.
The pork looks fantastic.
It's good pork.
it does taste very nice. Chinese 5 spice. Bad.
Prawn toast.
Prawn toast. Prawn toast is really nice as well.
These are really nice. Who made the prawn toast?
All I did was take the ingredients that he left out, put them in a blender, and smear it on some bread.
Yeah,
Teamwork.
that's delicious.
And then who cooked them?
Oh, you didn't cook? You cooked them?
I
Oh no, I really did nothing. Can we at least try one of these?
Yeah, absolutely. Don't get the one with no filling.
No, he's having the one with no filling.
It's still not great, is it?
No,
But that's a timing thing, I think.
rubbish. Oh, Ebbers. That's a miracle.
Yeah, it wasn't great. Yeah, I guess I was hoping for a bit more veg as well, or some, like, I'd left out mushrooms and carrot and pepper and bean sprouts.
could have made a quick pickle.
Yeah, or quick veg stir fry.
I don't think Janice will be giving you a second date.
What did we all score ourselves?
5 out of 10.
I think you deserve a 9.
There were elements of it that were tasty, and there was a vision at the end of kind of what I started-ish, but I still don't think that's good enough for a pass.
No.
I gave myself a 7.
I hear you.
For spreading some prawns on some bread.
No, wait. Whoa.
Pass or fail?
Fail.
I want to wake up with the confidence of Barry.
Well, hold your horses, because I also gave myself a 7.
Okay, great.
It's a fail for me.
I gave myself a 0. I completely spaffed it up. And it's a fail.
We're sorry, Ebbers.
Sorry, Janice.
Sorry, Ebbers.
To be fair, I've had worse takeaways than that.
Yeah.
So maybe it is a pass. Well, anyway, over to you guys. Is it a pass or fail? We know the answer. Comment all the places that we went wrong. We're really sorry. And do that wonderful thing where you rank us in order of worst to best.
And when you do that, remember, James isn't here. So he
automatically
by default,
comes
he's the worst, surely.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I've been shortchanged. How much filling did you boys get?
I've got a fair bit, actually. You got bored, didn't you? You got bored.
I didn't know what I was doing.